What started as an exciting new adventure on HBO 20 years ago is now coming to an end. At South by Southwest, we talked with the stars involved in the third and final season of HBO Max's The Comeback.
How do you think season 3 of The Comeback compares to the first two?
Step into a role like that.
I have to admit, I have not seen season 3, so I'm really excited to see it now. I mean, we're going to see 2 episodes, so I can say making of it, the third one was a dream. I mean, the others were great, but there was just something so unencumbered about the making of the third one, so magical, so easy. I don't know. I just loved it, yeah.
It's very different, and it is just as brilliant and moving, and it has all of the heart and all of the humor and all of the everything that everyone loves from the previous 2.
I think it's the completion. I mean, I was such a fan of the first 2, and I had no idea that I would figure in any of this. But I wanted more. I think most of us did. And so time being the healer that it is, it sort of completes everything. It answers, it resolves a lot of things, it opens a lot of things, and it proves a lot of things.
Well, I think they just get better and better. I mean, you always like to think that the latest thing you did is the best, or, what are you doing?
Yeah.
You want to, do a worse version?
Yeah, no, I love that.
Oh my God, that's just asking me to pick which is my favorite baby. We all have one. We all don't have a favorite. I don't have a favorite. Each season is a time capsule in and of itself, and was, the first one was the first one, so it was innovative and ahead of its time and original and funny. Season 2 was such a gift to be able to come back and tell that particular story. Season 3 is particularly special for us because A, it's the last season, B, it's a little bit of a wink to season 1 in a lot of ways. So there's a little bit of nostalgia there, but it's also incredibly prescient. It's incredibly relevant to where we are right this minute, and so it will be near and dear to my heart as what we leave the world with in terms of the world that Valerie cherished.
If this truly is the end for this show, what will you miss most about it?
The people. I mean, everybody, they're all here, and everybody was just so awesome. It's rare to have that experience when you're working, so yeah.
I will miss spending time with all these people, but I know that they're gonna be part of my life forever. And also, as a fan, I'm gonna miss watching the show. But I really do believe that this is the perfect end of a trilogy. Lisa keeps saying it's a trilogy now, and I think that's really beautiful because it really does function in that way.
Lisa. I mean, she's the goddess of comedy, and when this happened, I thought to myself, I've just adored her ever. And then you think, is this possibly going to hold up? Is she one of those? She's spun gold. She's the real deal. There's so smart, so generous. She was always there for me. No, it was a lesson in humility and joy.
Just the actual doing of it. I really just like the doing of it. I like being there, and even if I'm off camera, I get to act all day with Lisa Kudrow, and it's just like a gift, and I get paid to do that, so that's even enough. And just the entire cast and crew. We had the most amazing entire crew this season. Like nothing I've ever seen. Like even Lisa at the end said, I usually don't speak at the, when we all say goodbye at the very, very end, but she's like, I have never worked with such an amazing crew, to the person. So just being together every day, it's hard to let go of. But.
The show's obviously titled The Comeback. What's something that you would like to see make a comeback?
I've been saying skinny jeans. I'm really not into this idea that pleats and baggy pants are back. On what planet does anybody look good in baggy, pleated, it's too much fabric.
Sure.
So less fabric.
Okay, what should make a comeback? People eating.
Period.
Ooh, maybe that was controversial.
No, I love it.
Maybe people should start eating again.
Yeah, I love that.
Me.
Okay, come on, I love that answer.
Me, I want to come back.
Me.
Love and kindness.
Final question for you. What are you most excited for about being in Austin and this showing at South by?
This is my first time in Austin. This is my first time at South by. Obviously, I'm so happy to be here. I love it. I'm a vegan. I've heard Austin's a very vegan-friendly city. I've gotten to try a few vegan things. I love it here. And I'm also loving the weather. I'm sweating right now, but I love it. I just came off of a cold, dark winter in New York, so I'm so happy to be here. And the sun and the people have been so lovely and friendly and happy.
Sharing this with people, because that's going to be we don't usually get to do that. So to be in a group of people who we know love it and support it, it's going to be so exciting. It's a great day.
I'm most excited about the audience seeing the first 2 episodes because I just think that they're really excited for it, and I just like for me it's all about the fans. I just want them to be happy and satisfied, and I hope it's everything they dreamed of. And then I'm just really looking forward to like getting back to the hotel and taking a nap and ordering room service.
Getting some AC probably.
Yeah.
Very hot.
Yeah.
Well, I just love this town. I was here last year, and God, the crowds are amazing. The fans are unbelievable. I love the river, just the vibe, everything. Yeah.
Oh my God! Well, premiering The Comeback, of course, and sneaking some barbecue onto the airplane.
Oh, that's what you should do. Thank
Natch.
you so much.
Nobody will mind.
For more from all of our South by Southwest coverage and more from A-List, visit KXAN.com and follow us on social media.